Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. If you are new, please subscribe it. Today I will make a trading session on my live account just with the support and resistance level. I hope you like it, and if you really like it, please leave a comment below this video. Or if you have any question, just go to the comment section and I will answer all of them. So guys, let me explain to you why I made this two entries, and this is very simple. This was an important level. A couple of sessions ago there was a very strong level of support. Right now we have this candlestick, very bearish candlestick, so it means that the sellers are stronger than the buyers. So what I think the price is doing right now is a pullback. So I will make another entry because what I think the price is gonna do is it's going to touch this level. It can make a build up just here, and then it can keep going down. That's what I think the price may do. So this one was a little bit riskier. Why? Because we are betting against this uptrend, but it was a good entry too, because of this candlestick. This candlestick brought down this level too. So for the next one I will make another entry just here. Yeah, and I'm making this entry in this level of price because I think it's an optimal price. This is an optimal price because after every breakdown there is a pullback, and if we wait for the pullback for at least to the middle of this candlestick, we have more chances to win. As simple as that. So we can win this one, or if the price keep going up until this level or the support level that was broken, it will be better, a more effective entry. Yes, it's what it's doing. So that's why I'm going to be prepared to make another entry for $15. Yeah, $15 just to recover the two loss here on this market. Okay, let me check what the price is doing here. Yeah, it's doing what I was thinking it might do. I just need to wait. I want to see here another breakdown to trade another trade to the downside, because this was a very good downtrend, and in this case I'm trading with the trend, unlike this one. This one is riskier. I mean, it's a risky trade just because we are trading against the trend. Okay, let's wait a little bit, and guys, we won. We recovered the last one. I can make another entry here just if the price goes a little bit up between this 17 seconds. Yeah, let's do it. And I'm doing this first because this is a pullback. A pullback due to this breakdown, and second, this candlestick is very bearish, so I think the price is going down. Of course I can lose this one too because the market can do whatever it wants, but I have the probabilities on my favor in this case. 4 seconds, let's wait, and we win this trade. Guys, we won this trade too. I can make another entry here, but I rather rather be conservative. I prefer to wait. Okay, guys, what the price is doing, just when it touch the support level, is making a pullback. It can be a trend reversal. You just need to wait and be patient. Okay, let's see if we can find some other opportunities. We can have an opportunity here with this market structure. We can wait for an entry call option on this area. We need to be patient to detect, to detect the pattern, a bullish pattern on this area. Okay, I could make another entry here, but it's okay. I'm late. Okay, let me set an alert just to be notified when the price reach this level. And here we go again. The price is breaking down an important level, so we can make an entry here. Yes, and if the price goes back a little bit up, I can make another entry. This candlestick is very bearish, so it's very defined to the downside. Yeah, you remember when I told you about this pullback? We could win all of them. This pullback, we could win this one and this one too. It would be great. It's okay, guys. What I'm going to do is I'll made another trade. Okay, I'm late. Let me see if the price goes back. Yeah, here we go. What I think the price is doing is the same that happened on the previous pair. The price is pulling back a little bit to keep going to the other level, to the next support level, or this low. That's what I think the price may do on this level. Let's see. Let's see. Let's wait. Okay. Let me make another entry here. And another $5 entry if the price touch that resistance level. This is a resistance level, guy. Let me tell you something. This candlestick and this candlestick, none of them have strength enough to keep going up. Is what I think. Let's see. Let's wait. All right, let's check. Okay guys, here we go. As I told you, if the price give me a bullish pattern on this area, we can make an entry, an up entry, and it is what it's doing right now. I just need a candlestick to close above this level. Okay, all right, let's do it. That's the candlestick. Guys, this is the candlestick I'm just waiting for. Let's see if the market respect this pattern. Let's see. I will make a, oh yeah, if the price give me the chance. No, I was late. Let's wait. I think we can win this trade. Yeah, we won this trade. Guys, that's it for today. I hope you like it. And okay, let me do this other entry. If the price go down again to the close of this candlestick, I will make another entry for $10. Okay, time finish. Okay, so let's wait for that candlestick to close and we win this trade. Guys, we are trading with the trend, and this was a pullback. It was confirmed. So guys, now that's it for today. So if you have any question in regard to this content, just let me know below. I will answer all of them. All right, so I see you in the next video.